How to add blob animation in Wix Studio. So your blob animation is available on all image, button, and text. For this case, let's choose in here our text and let's add that. So click on your text and click onto this Open Inspector. So the blob option is available on the mouse effects. So make sure to remove any existing effects in order to have it open. Now, once every effect has been removed, head over to right here to your mouse effects, and then click onto this add option. Now, under that, you should be able to see in here this blob, and here is animation of how that looks like. Click on it. Click onto this adjust animation in order to adjust the scale, distance, and pointer velocity. So this is what it will look like once you interact with it with your mouse. So that's how you add blob animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.